Everything comes to us that belongs to us if we create the capacity to receive it. Love is an endless mystery, for it has nothing else to explain it. The butterfly counts not months, but moments, and has time enough. Don't limit a child to your own learning, for he was born in another time. Let this be my last word, that I trust in thy love. You can't cross the sea by standing and staring at the water. Music fills the infinite between two souls. It is very simple to happy, but it is very difficult to be simple. By plucking her petals, you do not gather the beauty of the flower. The main object of teaching is not to give explanations, but to knock at the doors of the mind. Reach high, for stars lie hidden in you. Dream deep, for every dream precedes the goal. Facts are many, but the truth is one. Those who own much have much to fear.